Hey cooking peeps, look what we have in the kitchen today. We have a Zojirushi home bakery Virtuoso. This is the top of the line bread machine, and I can't wait to get this bad boy out of the box. I've used another bread machine, one of the older Zos I have, but this is the brand new model. It's got a lot of neat new features, and I'm really excited about it. So join me as we do an unboxing of the Zojirushi home bakery Virtuoso. So guys, we got a Zo in the house, and one of the things I like about this model of the Zo versus the other one is the bread pan has these metal handles on it, so it's really easy to get in and out of the bread machine. One of the big problems about a lot of bread machines is it's kind of hard to get it out. And like the Breadman Ultimate has a handle where you pull up and you can pull the thing out. But the old Zo didn't have that. So you had to basically tilt the thing forward and lift it out on the rim of the pan. This one actually has a metal cage around it so you can lift it out a lot easier. And I love my Zo bread machine. And I'm sure this one won't be any different, right? So let's get this open. So one of the great things about the Zo is it has a 2-paddle system. I love my Breadman Ultimate. It is my favorite bread machine. I think it makes the best dough and the best bread as far as I'm concerned. But it also it doesn't have the long shape to the bread pan like a traditional loaf. So that's one of the main reasons I don't bake in it, because it has more of a tall square pan and it only has a single paddle. The Zo has a longer pan with 2 paddles, and it makes more of a longer, not like a totally long loaf like from the grocery store, but more vertical than it is horizontal. So traditional shaped rectangular loaf up to 2 pounds. You can get fresh baked homemade bread, delicious recipes. It comes with 100 recipes, gluten-free courses, viewing window, and look at this. That looks delicious. You can make jams. You can make all kinds of stuff from this thing. So let's get this open. Okay, so let's, woo! I already broke the box. Have to wrestle it. So let's see what we have. Okay, what do we have here? This is, it's the paddles. 1 paddle. 2 paddles. Make sure you don't lose these, because these things are expensive. You have to replace them. I love these little things. These are like measuring spoons that have like a teaspoon and a tablespoon one side versus the other. I like this. That's our cord. Where's the owner's manual? Oh, here's something. Okay, cool. Let's see what we got here. Yeah, really nice owner's manual. Really nice owner's manual. Nice full color. Pictures. Yeah, I love it when you get a really nice owner's manual. I mean, that's one thing. Look at that. Nice recipes. Awesome. That's one thing you can tell when something is really good quality is when you get a really good owner's manual with nice recipes and stuff in it. A lovely assistant. Amy, where are you? I don't see you. I see the bread machine. Ooh. Ah. Here you go, Miss Amy. Thank you. Wow. Oh my gosh. Sometimes you open up an appliance and you're just like, it takes your breath away. At least gadget freaks like me does. This is one beautiful bread machine. Holy cow. Holy moly. Wow, I just love, I mean, nothing like first impressions when you get a really nice cooker or appliance and you open it up, and when you open that box you're just like, wow, right? Look at this thing. Bake and enjoy. I wonder if I can get this off. I don't want a big sticker on the front of it. I don't want to rip it because I don't want, once you tear it, it's hard to get it off. Ah! Came off as one piece. There's a couple here on the side too. I don't know. Okay, so let's open this baby up. Ooh, measuring cup. These are sweet. I don't know, I guess these are good for liquids. And wow. Yeah, see, that's the cage of this thing. So it also comes with a DVD with a lot of tips and videos. So this is what I mean by this thing has a cage on it. So to get this out, all you do is tilt it and up. Wow, nice. This is, oh my God, I love this. Number one, I love their pans because they have really nice nonstick on them. But the fact that it's got this big cage on it just makes it so easy to get that bad boy in and out. Woo! Whoops, sorry about that. This is the Zoe bread machine. I can't wait to start getting busy with this. I'm gonna make my first loaf in this afternoon, and I'm gonna test it out, and then we're gonna get going with this. So stay tuned. We're gonna have some recipes and some bread in this baby. I think I'm going to try out some flavored breads. I'm kind of thinking I want something with a little garlic in it. So this is a Zojirushi home bakery Virtuoso bread machine. There'll be a link in the description if you want to take a look at this. Stay tuned. We're about to do some major bread geeking. If you like this video, please subscribe below and leave me a comment and a like. Visit my website at amylearnstocook.com. I'm also on Twitter and Pinterest at Amy Learns to Cook. On Facebook, I'm at facebook.com/groups/Amy Learns to Cook. And on Instagram, I'm at Cooking with Amy.